Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I just thought I'd sit in the living room. I don't have any makeup on today. Today was just a regular day for me, which means just homeschooling, activities and things like that for school. I thought I would just quickly come on here and I'm sitting on the floor. My dogs are all right here. I'm using my cell phone instead of my camera because it's go. Oh my God, these two. Chi-Chi, go away. So anyway, just quickly share because today when I came home, I got my Boxycharm base box. And so I thought, why not go ahead and just share that with you guys. Go ahead and see what we got. This box does retail for $25 a month plus tax. So it's about $27 and some change. I did already prepay for the year. So, but that is a typical price for a month. And like I told you guys in my premium box unboxing, I'm considering canceling this one and the premium, but I think of both. If I were going to keep one, I would keep the base because overall I feel like you do get a great value. So let's go ahead and open the box and just see what we got. It does have a padding and a card, which is always exciting. And if I'm not looking directly, it's because I still don't know with my phone where I'm supposed to look. So if you guys see me looking over to the side, I apologize. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the card. It is the same theme as the premium candy shop, which is super cute. I love to save these. 30 right there. Okay. And let's go ahead and pull the first thing we see. I think I chose this. This is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer, a 0.25 fluid ounce. It looks like that. Don't mind my nails, they look really bad. This is in the shade 08 Light. I hope I picked the right color. I just never know on these things, and so we shall see. That is what it looks like right there. Looks like it's gonna be a good match for me. Might be a little light, but that's okay. I've had them lighter. Okay, so it says here, this multitasking full coverage concealer has a lightweight, easy to blend formula. It conceals dark under eye circles, blemishes, and other skin imperfections. It retails for $24, so that's really good. I've heard a lot of great things about the Dose of Colors foundation and concealer, so I am super excited. I don't need another concealer, but I picked this because I did want to try it. And if it definitely can help with these dark circles, because mine are super bad, as you guys can see, I would love that. And then I don't always have to feel like I have to put a brightener and then a concealer. Some days I do just go in with a concealer because sometimes it's a little heavy for me doing the 2 plus powder. But I definitely have to because I have really dark circles. So I'm really excited about that one. The next thing that I see is the Luxie, I think these are brushes, Wonderlust set. I always love getting brushes. You guys know that. It looks like that. It came in a little pouch. Very cute and very nice for travel. It says create eye-catching looks with this 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. The versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. That's cool. Stash them in your Luxie pouch for a glam on the go. Retail for $40, it says. So they all look like this. Very pretty. I have a few Luxie brushes that I've gotten from Boxycharm and Ipsy, and I really do like them. So that's probably, oh, they are soft. That is the angled. Looks like this is probably the blending. It's very tiny, yes. That's gonna be great for getting right in that crease or in that outer V area. There's the brow brush right there. Always can use those. This is the tapered blending. It's a little bit fluffier than the last one. Very nice. And then this last one is probably the shading. Yes, large shader right there. So that's really nice as well. I'm always excited to get brushes. I love getting brushes. The pouch feels really nice. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. So very excited about that. So far, I'm loving my box. Okay, next item is the Brazilian Kiss from So Janeiro, which is that lotion brand right there. You know, the butt cream or whatever everybody loves. This is a tinted lip butter, and it's in the color Soulmate. And it says here, a soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of I can't pronounce that, butter, acai, and coconut oils. Cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into the most kissable with the scrumptious aroma of Dose de Leche. Retails for $20. So I always love getting lip things. They're definitely hard to use up, that's for sure. Look how cute the packaging is. Do you see that? Look at that, that's super cute. These are definitely hard to use up, I would say. Let's just try some, I mean. So although it looks really dark, the color, when it goes on your lips, it has such a unique smell. I can't even explain it. But see the color payoff? You really have to really press it to get some color payoff. So it looks really deep in there, but it's really not. You could see on my lips. It feels really nice. It has such a unique smell. It's like I smell coffee with coconut. It's really a really odd smell. It's not bad by any means, but it's very weird, to be honest. It's like coffee and coconut. I don't know about that. Okay, let's move on. A couple more things. The next thing that I see in here is Ace Beauty Draw It Lip Liner. And it's a lip liner dual set, it says. The Draw It lip liners are super pigmented liners that draw on smoothly and can be used to line the lips or fill them in completely. It includes a sharpener at the base that can be used to sharpen the liner's tips, and it retails for $16. That is what it looks like right there. Cute packaging. Let's see what we got. Oh, wow, two lip. Ooh, they are super cute. Look at that packaging. Oh, that's so cute. Super cute. Look, this is like a brown color and like a reddish color. So this reddish tone one is called So Gorgeous. Ooh, it's nice and creamy and buttery. Wow. Let me show you what that looks like. See that? Look how pretty. Wow. And I'll show you both of them. And then this more brownish color. I never knew that Ace even had lip liners. I would actually purchase these without getting them in the box. They are super nice. Look at, those are the shades right there. So that's that more brown one, and then that's that reddish tone one. Super pretty. I definitely have a ton of lip liners in my collection. And I will be doing a declutter coming soon because there's no way I could use all those lip liners. So I'm just going to go ahead and pass them on. Some have not been used at all. So I'm going to pass them on maybe to friends and family because I have way too many in my collection and I just don't want them to go to waste. But I'm super, super excited about these ones. Again, if I didn't tell you, those retail for $16 and I think that that's a great, great deal. They kind of remind me of the Becca lip liners. They're just so smooth and creamy and so nice. So definitely very excited about that. Okay, so the last item in the box, the last item I'm super excited about is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast and Bed Eyeshadow Palette. The reason I'm excited about this is because I have yet to try anything from the Beauty Bakery brand. And every time when I worked at Ulta, and every time I go into Ulta and I would see this, the brand itself in general, I would want to purchase something, but I just never did. I don't know why. I honestly love the concept of it so much. But for some reason, I just never did. I don't know why. Okay, I'm having trouble getting this open, so bear with me. I'm going to talk while I do that. So it says, Beauty Bakery's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette is a delightful morning medley of saturated mattes and shimmery shadows. This palette is perfect for the classic office to happy hour transitional touch-up and retails for $38. Okay, I got it. So the packaging looks just like the box. Just seeing if it has a smell. And it does not have a mirror, but this is what the shades look like right there. All right, right there. So we have three mattes, it looks like. And the rest look like shimmers. Let's just watch a couple because I know I'm going to keep it just because I have nothing from this brand. So hopefully it's really, excuse me. You smell that lip balm? Yeah, that's my lip balm. Don't lick me. Go. Oh my God. Okay, sit. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Sit. Good girl. Okay, so I do want to go ahead and swatch a couple shades if she will let me. I don't. Yummy. Go. Let me finish my video. Uh-oh. Here comes Chiquita. Do Fresh Face because that one looks it's like a taupey color. Wow. Feels very buttery. So that is that one. It's called Fresh, excuse me. Excuse-moi. It's my lips you're smelling. It's such an odd scent. I don't know if I could wear this, to be honest. I know I already put my lips on it, but I might have to pass it to my daughter or something because stop licking that. Stop. Can you just leave my box? Leave. Yummy. Go. Go. It's my lips. She definitely wants to lick my face because she smells my, oh my gosh, you just licked my thing. Okay, this one is Fresh Face, like I said. Okay, let's do Lazy Baby. It's like a pretty purple. She wants to lick my face because she smells that lip thing. It's such a weird, excuse me. Stop. That's Lazy Baby. It's like a pretty lilac, but it's a little bit deeper. Okay, let's see. It's my, go away. It's my lips you're smelling. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do Yawning, which is a matte brownish shade. Now, these matte shades are richer in pan, but they don't really have kickback. But you could see that it's not super dark. And one more. Let's do this Pajamas. It's like a pretty magenta. Oh, that's pretty. You guys know my swatches are not the best. Okay, there we go. Right there. Look how pretty. That's a really nice palette. Overall, the shades feel really, really nice and buttery. So I'm excited about that. That is everything that I got in this month's base box. I am super, super happy with it. Definitely like what I got, for sure. Very happy with it. Cannot complain at all. I think everything I got was really, really nice. I'm excited about everything. I am definitely going to keep everything. So let's see what the overall value of all of the products were. So this month, my box retailed for about $138 if my adding is correct. If not, I will put it here on the screen. I'm really, really excited. I'm really happy with this box. I cannot complain. I'm excited about everything that I got, and be on the lookout. I will do a video soon trying these products in a video like I did for my premium as well. Just so you guys can see if I did enjoy them and get my impressions and my thoughts on them. But yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know down in the comments below. You would be so kind to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Let me know down below if you get the Boxycharm base box and if you got something different than I did. Or if we were box twins, I would love to know that as well. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.